I'd like to turn it over now to Dr. Maryann D'Alessandro, who's director of the NIOSH National Personal Protective Technologies Laboratory, who will spend a few minutes providing an overview of the value of this workshop to NIOSH and some background information on the importance of these issues. Maryann?
Thank you, Melissa. NIOSH and PPTL initiated this workshop in 2019 after working for several years with the State Department, the Environmental Protection Agency, and our public safety stakeholders regarding respiratory protection hazards associated with smoke exposures related to wildland fires. Smoke exposures are one of multiple respiratory protection hazards confronted by contingent workers and there is not a well-defined approach to address respiratory protection hazards for these populations. Since NIOSH and PPTL is responsible for the respiratory protection research, standards development, respirator approval, and conformity assessment for traditional occupational settings, and a clear need exists for these other populations, this workshop is a logical extension of those functions. Our objective over the next few days is to identify concepts that will help better inform the nation regarding respiratory protection policy and science gaps for the contingent workforce and the general public. And this workshop will also serve as an input to a planned consensus study on the same topic that will be explored over the next year to 18 months to help provide recommendations on a path forward for the nation. I'd like to thank the committee, the speakers, and attendees for taking time to interactively participate in this virtual workshop as a first step toward addressing this most urgent and important topic. Thank you, Melissa.